LCD replacement, hinge repair, and deep cleaning on Acer Aspire 3 A315 laptop. Thank you, Sir Richie, for trusting PTIT Solutions. As you can see, the LCD has glitched display. That's why it needs repairing. Also, the hinge are broken. It needs to be repaired to prevent the screen from damaging again. Replacing the LCD on a laptop with a cracked screen is typically worth it, especially if the device is relatively new and in good working condition. It is usually more cost-effective than buying a new laptop and can extend the life of the device, restoring its functionality. This approach allows you to continue using your existing software setup and data without the hassle of transferring everything to a new device. And it is also more environmentally friendly than disposing of the laptop and purchasing a new one. Overall, an LCD replacement is a worthwhile investment. Having your laptop deep cleaned at a trusted repair shop is highly recommended. Professional technicians can thoroughly clean the internal components, removing dust and debris that can cause overheating and reduce performance. This includes cleaning the fans, heat sinks, and vents, which helps maintain optimal cooling efficiency. Additionally, a deep clean can extend the lifespan of your laptop by preventing hardware issues caused by dust accumulation. Trusting professionals ensures that the cleaning is done safely and effectively, minimizing the risk of damage to delicate components overall. A deep cleaning by a trusted repair shop enhances your laptop's performance and longevity. The Acer Aspire 3 A315 was considered a good budget-friendly laptop for users with basic computing needs. It offered affordability, decent performance for everyday tasks, portability, SSD storage option for faster access to files, and a 15.6-inch display. However, its limited power, lower build quality, restricted upgradability, and moderate battery life made it less suitable for heavy multitasking, gaming, or demanding applications. Overall, it was a solid choice for reliable and affordable basic computing tasks. LCD replacement, hinge repair, and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.